We're already displaying the correct image, which is this Android party image, so there's no need to change the source attribute. Similarly, the position isn't really incorrect. The image just needs to be larger. So all of these layout aligned parent attributes, we're not going to use them. Using the ID attribute in and of itself doesn't actually make any changes to the layout. It just gives the view a name so that you can refer to it later. Now there's actually a way to use the background attribute to achieve the effect we're trying to achieve, but it doesn't involve an image view. So if you chose background, you're technically correct, but we're going to go about it in a different way, the way that we learned about in the lesson. This leaves us with layout height, layout width, and scale type. Scale type will change the size of the image within the view box that surrounds it, while layout width and layout height will actually change the size of that view box. In this case, the image is large enough that the view box expands to fill the entire screen, no matter if it's wrap content or match parent. Because it doesn't matter in this particular case whether we put match parent or wrap content, you don't strictly need to change these, in this case. That said, because we're trying to get the view to expand to the entire screen, it would probably be good to set these explicitly as match parent. Then, if we end up using a smaller image, it'll still expand to fill the entire screen. But while layout height and layout width are sort of optional in this case, scale type is the actual attribute that you're absolutely going to need to use to make the image fill the entire screen. The question is, we've chosen the attribute, but we don't know the value to set scale type to. And that's what I want you to figure out in the next question.